sort of a private beach next to Frangipani resort. A lot of crab holes here. I was really surprised to see that property was right next to the beach. They had a good cafe attached to the beach. Breakfast was decent. The service was good. People are really nice here. And it's not that expensive as well. We paid about 6,000 Indian rupees for something that's on the beach and closer to the city. Really worth it. And you get this view along with it. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, then I've decided to walk here in Langkawi. The streets are beautiful. It's kept very clean. So I have come out here to see if I can find some car rentals or bike rental just to go around Langkawi today. So yeah, let's see. I've been told that about 3 minutes of walk I'm gonna find something with respect to the rentals. While walking, I keep coming across so many different resorts near the Pantai Tengah beach. See, Melayu, there's a restaurant there. This is a tropical resort. The one where I'm coming from, it's the Frangipani resort. They have some spas lined up here. And the big building over there, that's the Park Royal. It was constructed newly this year, 2023. There you see, that's the car and motorcycle rental. Cool. Okay, then we wanted to go for a rental, but then it was a bit expensive, 40 RM for a day. So considering we won't be spending a lot of time here, so we opted against it. So we'll use Grab here to go around this place. So taking a walk now in Pantai Tengah area, then we'll walk till Pantai Chenang, then get a Grab. This is the Park Royal. That's the Pantai Chenang beach. The backdrop. A lot of small restaurants. Now then I'm going towards Pantai Chenang. You can see right side is Pantai Tengah beach, and on the left side they have the town Kua. And this takes me to Pantai Chenang. It's about 2 kilometers walk. Nice walk. I like this walk. Streets are pretty empty. The roads are clean. The pavements are big. There's some street arts. Nice shade. Yeah, it's pretty hot. I'm almost nearing the Pantai Chenang area, so I've almost entered the area. You can see the place is still silent. We have a McDonald's, which is 24 hours open. The Zon duty free shop. And here we have the underwater world. This is supposed to be one of the tourist attractions out of marine creatures. This street is apparently called Chenang Walk, Langkawi. I feel that this place in the morning is pretty much silent. Many of the shops are closed, but after say 3 p.m. in the noon, they all become very live. We'll have many restaurants opening. Many people coming out afternoon. So in the morning it's a peaceful stroll. Some of the shops are open for clothing, but nothing if you want to drink or eat anything. Some of the bike rental shops are open. That's it. Clothing, bike rental shops. Apart from that, everything opens in the evening. So I can see Chenang Mall now. Let me enter into the Chenang Mall. Let's see what we have there. We came here yesterday night. We were not really interested to walk in. So this area has a lot of food chains, international chains. We have Pizza Hut over there. And we have KFC, 7-Eleven. We have in the KFC. Hello. Anything to drink? Cold. Something cold.
Fanta, Sprite, lemon tea, orange, 0 Coke.
Okay, I'll have
you want to ice Milo?
ice Milo. Okay, I'll have ice Milo. Okay. 7 ringgit?
Yeah.
Okay. Ice Milo. Thank you very much. Here you go, the ice Milo. Pretty nice. I had not tried this before, but it is good. I had never tasted Milo before. Yeah, this is the first time. And I must say, it's a mixed feeling, but it's good. Definitely not that I'm gonna waste it, but it's good. Okay, now I'm waiting for the Grab taxi to head back to my hotel. It was a nice walk. I like the city. Anyone planning to come to Langkawi should spend more time here on these streets. The Chenang walk is absolutely magnificent. Try it out. They have a lot of restaurants lined up here. People who love food, definitely this is the place to be. And they have the beach. The vibes are really, really good. The weather is nice, except that it rained yesterday, but that's okay. I think it's okay. Right, this place is supposed to get rain, and it would rain for hardly an hour or so, and back to normal. We are in India Palace on Chenang Street. Okay, as usual, our mango lassi and mango ice cream are out. Tandoori at Ali Bistro. Batting Madi. We are at the Chenang beach in the night. Some shows going on for the kids. They have King Kong, Transformer,